barahiziibwa Charles swear in the name of the Almighty God.
Ebi n'ebindi nibijaho wanyuma mudinginya Lieutenant Colonel retired Martin Kamya esabite hwire okindro omu cabinet ekintu ekibiro mu rwo kubanza kwiha azo mu ntebeje omwaka gw'2014.
Ihanda Hassan swear in the name of the Almighty Allah.
Empinduka ezikozirwe otwira katikiro w'obukama Wilson atirwe arubaju ombigerebye hazamo Charles Bukanzwa Charles kuzo mu ntebeje abe nakora ka minister w'ebyesente ombudinginya.
We pledge to work with both the local and the central government in terms of its projects, programs.
Abana batorinwe omudinginya harimo obere nakora nka commissioner w'ekibina kya NRM Alsemina Jane hamwe n'umuhwezi wa RCC awa Fort Poto Emma Busenji.
Today I've been sworn in as a minister in the office of the Bwamba and as a special minister.
Tukaniye government ekubaga na program sesemeye beitu entekereje y'abantu serikali tutayamo ebitukunera ku bantu tunga mu program.
This again reminds me of one of my core points that I wanted to address in my manifesto, the issue of uniting the Bundibugyo.
Unity and security nibikuletaga businge and stability. Kukusima abwekintu ekinangadane mu myaka ebere na meri munana.
Omunyishingirokazi awa district ya Bundibugyo nawe akozesa mu kishogo yashaba obudinginya okutahemeringo yo kurebango barwanso muze gwo kushweza abana bakiri bato.
Batu egimonturege tuto message ya kurorango teenage pregnancies have stopped.
Ombutumwa wenjo ya Bwamba ashabire bakuru abatorinwe okakinchi kubasa kurebango embarira yabaho bahwera batura okuruga ombworo.
Consistency, continuity, accountability and transparency of leaders and departments of the institution.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tsengwere.